Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I will show you how to change your location on Grindr app on your Android and on your iPhone. Now, guys, it's getting harder to change your location on Grindr, and yeah, basically I will give you a couple of tips that you can use, but I will not promise that these will work for everyone. So basically the first thing that you can do is obviously go and fake your location on Grindr for Android. You will need to use a fake GPS location app. You can use many of them. You can try out many of them. Again, some will work, some will not work. Depends on your app that you're using. Now, before you use this app to set a fake location on Grindr, you should put your Android device in development mode. So to do that, go to Settings app, go to the About Phone option, and then choose Build Number. Here, you need to tap the Build Number option a couple of times, like 7 times, to guide your phone through the developer mode. Now you can open the fake GPS location app, move the pin to any address you want, and then tap on the start button to change your current location to there for Grindr. So, and then you will have your location here, as you can see. Note, if you fail to change your Grindr location, you can go to Settings app, go to Developer Options, and then tap the Select Mock Location App option to choose the fake GPS location app. So this is one way of doing it, right? It's a bit complicated, but it still works for some apps, although Grindr is cracking down on this. So obviously, another way you can do this is to install BlueStacks and use Grindr on your PC. And then what you can do is you can, before using Grindr again, you can click on the location feature from the sidebar and turn on the mock location. You can now drop the pin anywhere in the map to spoof Grindr location, basically. And then you can use a spoofer app as well to fake the GPS, but I would not really recommend that. So if those don't work for you, then probably Grindr already fixed this, because I know that Grindr has been pretty much cracking down on pretty much everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.